Question 6, if v is equal to ds dt, dv dt is equal to the second derivative d2s dt2, which we know is equal to 1 over ds dt, which is v. So 1 over v becomes dv dt. So dt would be equal to v dv. And if I integrate 1 dt, if you want to put a 1 in, and integrate v, we're told ds dt, which is our v here, is 4 when t is 0. So we're going to get t integrated dt to get t between t and 0. It's going to be increase the power by 1 and divide by the new power between v and 4. So t minus 0 is equal to putting v in, v squared over 2, and putting 4 in, we're going to get 16 over 2. So t is equal to v squared over 2 minus 8. Is that right? V squared over 2 minus 8. So v squared over 2 will be equal to t plus 8. So v squared will be equal to 2t plus 16. So v will be equal to the square root of this. We just take the positive 2t plus 16. So we have v, and v is ds dt. So ds dt is equal to v, which is the square root of 2t plus 16. So we're gonna have ds equal to, I'll write this to the power of a half, I think probably easier to integrate x 2t plus 16 to the power of a half dt. So we need to integrate both sides. Now integrating this, let's see if we can use our substitution rule. If u is equal to 2t plus 16 du dt is equal to 2, so du is equal to 2 dt. Get tt in its own will be du over 2 is equal to dt. Might be easier just to use this when you have this knowledge of your substitution rule. So we're going to have the integral of u to the power of a half dt, which is du over 2. We can put the 2 anywhere along. I might just factor out the half here. That's the same as putting a 2 on the bottom. So we're going to have a half times u to the power of 3 over 2 divided by the new power, which is 3 over 2. This 2 goes up on top and cancels. So we can cancel them here. So we're going to get u, well, just 1/3 u to the power of 3 over 2. It's a bit messy this one, isn't it? So I'll put u in a square root. So to the power of 3 over 2 is the square root of something to be cubed. So the square root of u, which was 2t plus 16 to be cubed, is what this one integrates to, and the left hand one obviously just integrates to s. Was it s and 0 and t and 0? Just remind me, it was s and 0, t and 0. So this is between t and 0 all the way down here. And so we're going to get s minus 0 is equal to, I'll just come down here, so s is equal to 1/3 times, so if we put t in, it's going to be the square root of just 2t plus 16 to be cubed minus, the third is outside, so just the square root of 16, which is 4, to be cubed, which is 64. So I don't think it tidies up any better than this. 1/3 the square root of 2t plus 16 to be cubed minus 64.